After you come up with your lowest cuts, then you're going to find the difference in between the two, and that's going to be your separation. Those are going to be the top pins that you're going to have involved. So go ahead and add one of the keys that I want to work here. And we'll start off so we can get that to work. It's a little difficult to work these in there because you don't have any driver pins driving it down and putting tension on it, so you may need to do that yourself. See if we put a little bit of pressure on there. And then make sure they fit. Okay. And then another one. And another one. So now that should definitely be working. We can turn that over. Nice and smooth. So now we need to add our top pin in there. Now, add our other, oops. Another master into the equation. Last one will be right here. Go ahead and pins. Get this keyway kicked over. Get our top pins pushed back in place. And now, got our key A that works and key B that works. Two different keys, two different bittings, both work on the same cylinder. Now this key, or now this cylinder, master lock cylinder, now has been master keyed, and you can do that on several different tier levels. I like to use make sure you have at least 2 pins that have 2 different cuts on the system. Just makes it a little bit more secure, and you only have 4 in here to begin with, so at least have 2 that are different, and have 2 that are 2 different cuts apart, meaning if you have a 4, don't make the next key have a 5 where that goes. Basically, you'd want it to have a 6 or a 2. So you want to stay in 2 increment number separation, and you want to have at least 2 different master key pins in the cylinder there. So we'll go ahead and put this all back together. We're going to need our retainer piece here that engages the back of the lock. For sure. That's going to go right on there. That's going to go right on there. Back together. Got our anti-drill plate. It's got a hook. Just hooks right in there. That one go just like so. And then we've got our square piece that goes into the bolt there. So that will then go up into here. We'll find our Allen head with our set screw, and tighten that up. Didn't have to be super tight, just tight enough to work. I like to add a little lubrication to these things because they're pretty clanky from the get-go. So squirt a little lubrication in there. I probably use some in the keyway as well. And then shake this thing up a bit. Now we have 2 keys operating this lock, and you have a tier of security. Multiple keys opening multiple locks. So this would be for larger areas, areas where you're going to have lots of different employees, lots of different people using this system, and then you want a master key to go ahead and override it. Is basically the idea behind it. So there's your master lock, master keying, master lock info video. For more information, check out the website, and have a good day.